Hello there, it's time for some more optical system silliness. Not much has really changed except that I got a new power brick. Hooray! Now the monitor can actually turn on with a flip of the switch. You've got wonderful, delicious raspberry pie. Tasty. I haven't put the optical system, or the camera, into the head yet. So, it's just your bog standard Raspberry Pi with, and the optical system is, come on, load up, based in Python. We've got our keyboard and trackpad on a little arm underneath. And we can take a look at the crazy code. Here we go. Got a to-do list and all the code running around here. Got a bunch of libraries like PyCamera, NumPy, GPy0 that does some analog sensing. Thread does multi-threading so you can do multiple loops at the same time. Got a bunch of arrays for drawing the GUI, a bunch of drawing commands, and data access, getting like CPU use, all that sort of stuff, and even a cockpit ajar button, but I haven't put the sensor on for that. The optical system is nearly complete. So, that's all for this episode, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye.